Hello and welcome to today's video where we will be discussing one of the most controversial topics in the technology world, hacking. Hacking is the practice of gaining unauthorized access to a computer system or network, and it has become a growing concern in recent years. In this video, we will discuss what hacking is, the different types of hackers, and why hacking activity is increasing. What is hacking? Hacking is the practice of gaining unauthorized access to a computer system or network. It can involve anything from stealing sensitive data to manipulating software or hardware. Hacking can be done for a variety of reasons, including financial gain, activism, or simply for fun. Types of hackers. There are several types of hackers, including white hat hackers. These are ethical hackers who work to find vulnerabilities in systems and networks so they can be fixed. Black hat hackers. These are malicious hackers who exploit vulnerabilities for their own gain, such as stealing data or causing damage to systems. Gray hat hackers. These are hackers who operate in a legal gray area, often exploiting vulnerabilities to bring attention to them or to gain recognition. Why hacking activity is increasing? There are several reasons why hacking activity is increasing, including the growth of technology. As technology continues to advance, there are more devices connected to the internet, creating more potential targets for hackers. Cybercrime is lucrative. Cybercrime is a lucrative industry, with hackers making millions of dollars every year from stolen data and other illicit activities. Lack of security. Many organizations have inadequate security measures in place, making it easier for hackers to gain access to systems and networks. Impacts of hacking. The impacts of hacking can be significant, including financial loss. Hacking can result in financial losses for individuals and organizations, including the theft of money and the cost of repairing damage caused by the hack. Privacy violations. Hacking can result in the theft of sensitive information, including personal and financial data. Damage to reputations. Hacking can damage the reputation of individuals and organizations, particularly if sensitive information is leaked to the public. Preventing hacking. Preventing hacking involves a combination of technical and non-technical measures, including strong passwords. Using strong, unique passwords can help prevent unauthorized access to accounts and systems. Regular software updates. Keeping software up to date can help prevent vulnerabilities from being exploited by hackers. Employee education. Educating employees on safe computing practices, such as avoiding suspicious links and attachments, can help prevent hacking attacks. Conclusion. In conclusion, hacking is a complex issue that has become an increasing concern in recent years. Understanding the different types of hackers and the reasons why hacking activity is increasing can help individuals and organizations take steps to prevent hacks from occurring. As technology continues to advance, it's more important than ever to take proactive steps to protect our digital assets and ensure our safety online.